The farming process of trout starts with producing ova. So you've got specialized broodstock farms that produce eyed ova, that's the eggs. We buy the eggs and then we hatch them. We grow them to about 10 grams, which is about 10 centimeters long. And then we transport them live to our grow-out facility, where we grow them out to about 2 kilo size when we harvest them.
The fish from freshwater to saltwater and eventually to plate takes about 18 months on the trout, where our salmon is 2.5 years. We grow them out in cages that are out at sea.
Well, twice daily we take the oxygen temperature, the dissolved oxygen, the concentration, the saturation. We take samples between the cages, we take samples outside the cages, outside the allowable zone of effect. We take water samples weekly, which is the phytoplankton counts, and then we just monitor the fish and their health.
Growing trout, because it's part of the salmonid family, being grown out at sea, it has that crisp marine taste that very closely resembles salmon.
We keep our products safe to eat by doing testing for antibiotics in the raw product and also heavy metals.
So far, we've only had positive feedback regarding the quality of our product. We have applied for ADEP funding and it's recently been approved, which will allow us to expand and just grow at a way faster pace. We have received support from Operation Pakisa, if it's to get more lease area. We're on our way to expand the farm on another site.
Trout farming's got a big impact on the tourism in South Africa, specifically fly fishing, as we supply most of the fly fishing dams and societies with trout.
Most of the product that we process here is the trout. We also do salmon. The trout that we do is cold smoke. We also do the salmon also in cold and hot smoke.
The processing steps on how we process the fish is very much dependent on what we want to do with it. Sometimes it's as simple as just heading and gutting the fish and cutting it into fillets and portions. Three Seam Smokehouse employs 260 people on site all year round. A lot of the skills that are required for our facility is things that we train on the job.
We have quite a diverse team. We also have a dive team, which is crucial to our operation because every day we need to dive. We have to dive every day to go check on net qualities, check out the mooring systems, make sure that our nets are in top shape.
To ensure that our products are safe to eat, it requires us to keep a high standard of hygiene within our facility.
Especially on our factory floors, and to make sure that our product is the best quality.
We also have a lot of third-party audits that we undergo, as well as micro-testing that we send to external laboratories to verify our food safety.
I don't really have a favorite recipe because trout's so versatile.
Salmon, cold smoked is amazing.